Greetings and a warm welcome to Picnie. Today, I'm excited to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to effortlessly generate multiple images using Google Sheets. This ingenious technique will save you time and streamline your creative projects. You can easily log in using your email and password, or opt for the convenient Google login option. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can either create a new project or select from your existing projects. Within the Picnie dashboard, you'll discover an array of powerful tools. For today's tutorial, our focus will be on the image generation tool. Simply click on this tool to get started. Here you will see the list of stunning templates, which you can select from any of the templates and click the Generate Image button. Let's proceed with this template for our example. You will see the button which navigates us to generate images using Google Sheet. Here's how you can seamlessly integrate Google Sheets into your image generation process. At the top of the page, you'll spot the API key and project ID. These key components are essential for crafting a Google Sheets formula that facilitates image generation. Directly beneath this, you'll find the option to download a sample CSV file. Be sure to download the specific sample file that corresponds to the template you've chosen. Each template has its own dedicated sample CSV file, tailored to its unique attributes. Continuing down the page, you'll encounter a series of clear steps to follow, ensuring a smooth image generation journey. Let's begin by downloading the CSV file. Open a new Google Sheets tab and import the downloaded CSV file. Upon import, you'll observe that the first row contains columns aligned with the template's requirements. Now, it's time to populate the sheet with your content. Feel free to customize text and image URLs according to your creative needs. Once your data is in place, navigate to the last column of your sheet. You'll find a formula awaiting your attention. This formula is where you'll insert your API key and project ID. Retrieve these details from the Picnie dashboard page. Paste your API key into the formula and make sure to replace the project ID as well. Before proceeding, remove the special symbol from the beginning of the formula. After making this adjustment, press Enter, and you'll witness the magic unfold. Your image will begin to generate. To generate multiple images, simply drag this formula across the rows containing your data. Voila! The last column will now host URLs to your generated images. You can utilize these images wherever you see fit. Additionally, Picnie's Dashboard File Manager provides easy access to your generated images. You've just experienced the sheer simplicity of generating countless images in a few minutes. If you wish to explore another image template, remember to download the associated sample CSV file. The process remains consistent across templates, ensuring a seamless experience. Now, here's an alternative approach for generating a single image. Copy the provided link and paste it into a new browser tab. This link is designed to leverage your API key and project ID, making customization effortless. After fine-tuning the query parameters to your liking, simply press Enter to generate the image URL, ready for use. A word of caution: while this method is incredibly convenient, I recommend safeguarding your API key to prevent misuse. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening walkthrough. With Picnie, image generation becomes a breeze, empowering your creative endeavors.